Exterior door weatherproofing failing? Let's fix that so your home stays cozy and dry without breaking the bank. Okay, so first off, check all the caulking around your door edges. If it's cracked or peeling, rip it out and slap on some fresh exterior grade caulk. Don't forget to wipe down the area before you do it, or that stuff won't stick. Next, think about installing a storm door. It's like a shield for your main door, blocking wind and rain before they get inside. Make sure the weather stripping on your door is still soft and squishy. If it's hard or cracked, swap it out with new stuff. Also, check the door sweep at the bottom. If you feel drafts underneath, replacing or adding one can make a huge difference. You can find weatherproofing kits online or at any hardware store, and they usually come with everything you need. Keep an eye on your exterior door frame too. If it's warped or damaged, you might need to repair or replace parts to keep the seal tight. Finally, during heavy rains or storms, a quick look to see if water is pooling near the door can save you from future headaches. One of the biggest mistakes with exterior door weatherproofing is ignoring old cracked caulk, which lets air and water sneak in. Fix this by removing old caulk completely and applying a good quality exterior caulk evenly. Another common issue is skipping the storm door installation. Lots of folks don't realize how much extra protection it provides against harsh weather, so adding one can boost your door's defense big time. The third problem is worn-out weather stripping that people forget to replace. This part is super important for keeping drafts and moisture out, so swap it out regularly to keep things sealed tight. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to exterior door repairs and weatherproofing. It also makes life easier for contractors by connecting them with people looking for help on projects just like this one.